Hey, hello YouTube. I'm Karan from Bharat, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about an entry submitted from the submission form on the TheBATeam blog by Mr. Kabue. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing their name right. So, in the tutorial, I'll use their initials K and M. So, we're going to talk about Awesome Calculator by Mr. KM. So, let's see how the program works and how it looks like. So when you will extract the folder, you will find 5 files. 2 are the license and the tip. So before launching the program, let's see what the tip Mr. KM is trying to give us. So he's telling that when issuing a command, for example, to stop the speech, okay, we are expecting a speech function in the calculator. Do not forget the @ sign, okay. For example, @s.f off, okay, and the rest are just features, so you can read that. And they have designed the output so it won't hurt your eyes. Wow. So you can say hi to Mr. KM via FB. So let me run the program and let's see how it looks like. Wow, quite nice output. So here you can see that we are seeing a scroll bar, so that means the CMD console is not organized in the size, but I think the program is designed and created in Windows 7 or below. So in Windows 10, the CMD properties has little change, as Microsoft has stuck their finger inside the CMD properties. Now the CMD that we know is little different from the traditional one, so we have to bear with it. So let's talk about the calculator in this video. I have made another video talking about the CMD properties, and you can see that in the channel while searching it. So here we're going to talk about calculator by Mr. KM. So here it is blinking to take input from us. So as it is a calculator, let's do a simple calculation like 3 plus 3.
6.
Oh, it also speaks. So that was the speaking function or the speech function. So it is calculating the result and speaking the output. That's great. So let's try little advanced. 450 into, let's say, 8. I don't know what is the answer.
3600.
So let's confirm that with Windows calculator. 450 into 8. So quite accurate. So let's do a little difficult calculation. As you will try to do this calculation in traditional CMD, you will see it will only give you integer values and the answer should be 2 in the traditional CMD. So let's see if this calculator can handle floating point integers.
2.50.
Wow, it is handling quite nicely the floating point integers, so that's great. Let's use one of their settings feature and let's turn the speech off for a while. S dot off, and I think the speech is off. Nothing is mentioned here, but I think it's off. So let's try 45 into 2, that should be 90. It's not speaking. Okay, the speech feature is off. That's great. You can say hi via FB. So let's close this one and look at the dependencies or the functions it is using. So that is why calculator is floating point, handling the floating point values, because it is using the AC function by Michael, I think. and yep, the author is Michael. So yeah, remove that. Okay, the AC function from Michael uses bc.exe and readline code.dll. So it enables the user to use floating point calculation inside the traditional CMD console. So here it is using the calculator is by KM is using AC function, batbox by darkbatcher, bc.exe, and box function by kvc, character to integer, I don't know, maybe from Akini, f1.dll anonymous by Akini, by kvc, and help.bat. Let's see. Okay, from the help.bat they are displaying the help values, help text like this one. This is the help text, so they are displaying this text using this help.bat file. Okay, nearcmd by nearsoft or nearsoft, and they are also using plot function and typograph function. And I don't think the plot function is being used in this version. Maybe it is for the later version. So let's talk about the main code, and you can see the previews when you will download this function from the link given in the description. Okay, there's the same tip. You can read a descriptive article on it. I'll try to explain as much as I can. So here the code of the calculator from Mr. Kabue or Mr. KM looks like this, and here they are setting up some values and console size, and here they are preparing for displaying the output. Here is the box function call, and Mr. KM is checking for any special value that we have passed, like s.off, so they will turn off the sound and go to star again. The star label stops for asking the user for the new value, and when the value is passed, the user input is taken and passed from the AC function from Mr. Michael, and the answer is calculated, and by the typography function they are using pixel font in the typography function and printing the answer, and the f1.dll is printing if there is nothing sensible here, and then it is hiding something from the console, like they are using the foreground and background color same, so they are trying to hide something, and then they're printing the log file and adding the data into log file, then go to star again. The loop continues. So that's how the program is working. You can download it from the link given in the description, and you will find the related article in the description too. You can download and tear apart the code and read and learn from it. You can also give a thumbs up if you like their work and Mr. KM's work, and leave a comment for the appreciation or any doubt if you have in your mind. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more batch programs, and we will try to create more interesting and advanced batch programs. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.